Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a lunch routine and sharing two recipes here that I cooked for lunch during the weekend. A simple dal tadka, which is close to a restaurant style, and an oven baked chicken. I hope you love these recipes of mine. So keep watching. Here I've already marinated the chicken. Here I've taken 4 leg pieces or 4 thigh pieces which I've marinated with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a little salt, 1 finely chopped green chilli, teaspoon of lemon extract, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Marinated this overnight. You can marinate it for around 2 to 3 hours. Rubbing the marinade all over the chicken. And into this remaining marinade, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil, a tablespoon of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, giving this a good mix. Now on a baking tray, I'm going to spread half of the marinade mixture, making sure it is spread well. Then I'm going to layer the chicken pieces one by one and adding the remaining marinade over the chicken pieces. Now with the help of my hand, I'm going to rub the marinade all over the chicken pieces. I've already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and I'm going to bake this for around 30 minutes, 15 minutes on each side. And now the chicken is ready. My family doesn't like this way because they feel the spices are still raw and it turns to be too spicy. So for them, I'm going to pan fry it for few seconds on each side and then serve them. For me, I'm going to have it as such. So covering this with a foil until required. Next, going to the preparation of making the dal. Here I've taken a total of 1 cup of dal, which is a mixture of moong dal and masoor dal. Wash it well and then soak it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to transfer the dal along with the water into a pressure cooker. This is green sprouts, a handful of them adding into the pressure cooker. Then goes in little water. Here I've added total of 4 cups of water, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 finely chopped green chili, 2 teaspoons of oil. Then cover the lid and pressure cook this until it's done. I pressure cooked it for 4 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker. Here you can see the dal is ready, creamy and thick. I'm going to mash this with the back of the spoon or the ladle. Now to dilute this, I'm adding half cup of water, and to add tanginess, I'm adding a teaspoon of tamarind paste. My family loves this. Do add it as per your preference. Mix this well. Next, we would require 1 thinly sliced onion, 1 roughly chopped tomato, whole spices, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 cardamom pods, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 4 red chilies, 5 peppercorns. This is 10 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger soaked in hot water. You can remove the peel. I am leaving it as such. Then in a mortar and pestle, I'm going to gently crush this just for the flavors to release out. This is done. Let me show you. Next, I've taken a heavy bottomed vessel and heating a ladle spoon of oil. Then goes in the spices. Fry the spices nicely for 30 seconds. Teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, then the crushed garlic and ginger. Frying the garlic and ginger until the raw smell reduces and the garlic turns its color to a little brown. Then goes in the onion. I'm frying the onion until it changes its color to brown. Now you can see the onion is fried well. Adding the tomato. You can also add a little salt to cook the tomato faster. I'm frying the tomato until it turns very soft and mushy. The tomato is cooked well. Adding 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Now fry the spices for 15 to 20 seconds. Now the spices are fried well. I'm going to add a ladle full of the cooked dal and fry this dal well until the oil releases. This gives a nice flavor to the whole dish. If you have not tried this, do give this a try and let me know how did you like the flavor. Then transfer the remaining dal and half cup of water. Salt to taste. I also love adding kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek leaves, adding a pinch of it and giving this a good mix. Once mixed well, I'm going to allow the dal to get a good boil. Now you can see the dal has got a good boil. Give it a stir and then turn off the heat. Let me show you how I plated my meal. So for rice, it's a simple rice cooked in pressure cooker. Then I'm going to serve the dal. Drizzle a teaspoon of ghee all over and then the baked chicken. I hope you found these recipes useful to prepare a meal. Do give them a try and share your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel.